Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing this foldable treadmill for home use. A great solution if you're short on space but still want a reliable, feature-packed walking machine. It's compact, quiet and surprisingly powerful for its size. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out. Starting with the design. This treadmill has clearly built with home use in mind. It's not bulky, folds vertically to save space, and comes with built-in transport wheels that makes it easy to move around. Even if you live in a small apartment or use a multi-purpose room, it's easy to tuck it under a bed or couch or store it standing next to a wall. It barely takes up any space when folded. Now on to performance. And this is where I was genuinely impressed. It's equipped with 2.5 horsepower motors, which is powerful but very quiet, staying under 45 decibels. That means you can walk or jog anytime without disturbing anyone around you. The speed ranges from 0.5 to 6 miles per hour, which is more than what most basic walking paths offer. Whether you're doing light recovery walks, daily step goals, or even some light jogging, it's all doable here. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds and handrails, it feels stable and secure at every speed. Another thing I love, and I think it's a big plus, is the shock absorption system. It issues 6-point spring suspension with dual rubber pads to reduce joint impact by up to 30%, which is great if you are trying to be gentle on your knees or recovering from injury. There is also a magnetic safety key that will stop the treadmill immediately if needed. The display panel is clear and user-friendly. It shows all the basics like speed, time, distance, and calories burned. Plus, you've got heart rate sensors built into the headrails and even little conveniences like a tablet holder and cup holder, which I always appreciate. You can control the treadmill directly using the handrail buttons or connect it via Bluetooth to the FitShow app. The app lets you track your progress, walk through virtual scenic routes, join challenges, or follow custom training plans. It is a fun and motivating way to stay active at home. So, if you're looking for a quiet, compact, and powerful treadmill that fits into small spaces and adds a little smart functionality through the app, this one is definitely worth considering. It's great for daily walks, light cardio, or just staying active without leaving your home.